Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Epix Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this device. Basically how quickly the screen will turn off after you stop using it. First we need to press and hold the App/Menu button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, scroll down, keep scrolling down until you find the System option, then tap on it. Here, scroll down, select the Display option, and right here we have three different options: during activity, general use, and during sleep. Basically, you have like different categories. For example, during activity, if you open this category, here you can customize the screen options for the watch when you're tracking some activity, you're performing some activity on your watch. And now scroll down, find the option called Timeout, and tap on it. And here we can change the duration for the screen timeout while we are performing the activity on our watch. And you have options like 4 seconds, 8 seconds, and 15 seconds. Select the one you like and tap on it. Then scroll down, or rather scroll left on the screen to go back. Select the general use. This is when you're using your watch normally without any activities and stuff like that. Basically, you're using your watch normally, and you can adjust the timeout right here. Let's leave it at 8. And next we have during the sleep. So basically, while you're sleeping, you can adjust the timeout too, like that. And once you're done, press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.